What's up, Sassperallas? It's your girl Sassy J, and I am back with another video. Yes, guys, I am back with another video. And as you know, it is Thursday, honeys. Okay, it's Thursday, and you know what happened on a Thursday? It's weight loss update. Yes, weight loss update. And I know you can tell from the thumbnail and from the title that your girl has lost some weight this week again. Okay, but before I get into all of that, I'm just gonna ask you guys, please just hit that thumbs up button. Yes, like this video, please, guys. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Yes, guys, turn that red button to gray from subscribe to subscribed. Okay, all right, I'm just saying. Okay, subscribe. Okay, but anyways, guys, so I have lost 4 pounds this week, guys. Yes, 4 pounds. That would make what, 16 pounds in the last 3 weeks. So last week I lost 6 pounds, the week before I lost 7 pounds, and this week 4 pounds. So yes, that'll be 16 pounds in 3 weeks, which I am so happy about. Ta-da-da-da-da. Ooh, ta-da-da-da-da. Ooh. But anyways, guys, so you know that I started fasting last week, because I told y'all I started fasting on Tuesday of last week, honeys. Yes, and in that 2 days between Tuesday and Thursday, the girl had lost 6 pounds. I did, and I told y'all that in my last video. Okay, don't act like guys, I'm so gassed. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm so gassed. But anyways, I lost 6 pounds in 2 days. And yes, guys, obviously with that kind of results, I'm gonna keep fasting. Okay, I'm gonna keep fasting for now. Okay, because fasting, not only will it help me to lose weight, but it also help me to get my hormones intact. It will help with my insulin resistance. It will help me with my PCOS. So I'm here for it, honey. I'm here for it. Okay, but anyways, let me just go through step by step of how I fasted, or basically my fasting schedule from last week until today. Okay, I've written it down so I don't actually forget anything, because you know the girl's getting a bit old and the memory, honey, is not there no more. Okay, it's not there no more. But anyways, guys, so on Wednesday, I'm gonna start from Wednesday, right? Because on Wednesday last week I started my fast at 9 o'clock 9 o'clock p.m. and my intention was to do 24 hours and end my fast on Thursday 9 o'clock, but because I had the video to do last week and the editing and stuff, I didn't get around to doing it. And of course, when I was finished, I was very sleepy, so I thought to myself, I'm just gonna leave it until Friday. So I didn't end my fast until Friday 3:30, which made that the longest fast I did last week, which was, I should say, 41 and a half hours. Yeah, so that was good. I could have actually fasted for longer because I wasn't actually hungry, but I decided to end it at 41. And I'm going to show you what I ended my fast with. I'm going to put it up here because it was a big fast. You know, I just thought I'm going to start fasting right after this. So I had a really good sized meal, nice and healthy. That what you see up there is just some callaloo and, you know, some little, it's vegetable, guys, okay? Avocado, a bit of chicken, roast chicken, you know how it is, a tiny bit of rice. It wasn't even a lot of rice, guys. It was literally 125 grams of vegetable rice, if I was to be honest with you. But I wasn't, like I said, I wasn't hungry like that. So I just wanted to refeed sensibly and, you know, be okay for the next fast. But anyways, so when I ended my fast and I ate my meal, I started my fast again at 5:30. Yeah, so I started my fast the same day at 5:30 and I did another 24 hours. So from Friday 5:30 to Saturday 5:30, that's when I ended my fast, which is 24 hours again. And guys, I'm only doing a water fast. I only drink water. I haven't had any green tea or any coffee or anything, but I would suggest if you're somebody trying to get used to fasting, start off very slow. Probably start with 16 hours. You know, obviously I would say do the 12 to 8 eating window, because after 8, people rarely eat. Well, I would eat after 8, but okay. But anyways, guys, but after 8, you know, you won't have that long till you go to sleep, and most of your fasting time will be you sleeping anyway. So I would suggest do like a eating window of between 12 to 8, and don't eat anything after 8 until the following day, 12 p.m. That's what I would say. And if you feel like you're struggling, I always say drink the black coffee, yes, guys, with the no milk, or the green tea with the no sugar. No milk, no sugar, guys. and that will be okay for you for now, okay? But anyways, I'm gonna continue to tell you what I did. So I fasted until the Saturday, 5:30, broke my fast, okay, and then I started my fast again at 6:15. So I started another fast at 6:15, and I only did 18 hours this time round. And I ended my fast 12:30 on Sunday. And the reason why I ended my fast at 18 hours is because I wanted to mix it up. I wanted to kind of confuse my body a little bit, let it not know when to expect food. I didn't want it to get so used to 24-hour fasting, 20 hours fasting. I just wanted to mix it up. And also, I didn't want to fast too much on that day because I was planning to, you know, get myself prepared for a 3-day or 72 hours water fast, which I'm currently doing now, guys. I'm currently about 54 hours or so into it. 12 o'clock tomorrow would be the 72 hours, and it's somewhere about, it's probably about 6 o'clock or something now. I'm not quite sure, but yes, guys, so I ended it on Sunday, and when I ended my fast on Sunday, I had 2 meals basically. So I had the meal that I ended it with, which was just some leftover from the meal before, which I explained, but just not as big of a portion, a smaller portion, because obviously I plan to eat something again for like dinner later on. And to be honest with you, I ate something, but it wasn't a big meal or anything. I had like some fruits. I had 2 bananas, I think as a snack before I went to bed. But I had some grapes, and I had 3 Jacob crackers and a cup of mint tea, guys. So that's really what I had. That was my other meal, basically, you know, because I wasn't really hungry. I just wanted to have something, you know what I mean? Because I felt like, okay, I'm going to be starting fasting again soon. It's going to be a longer fasting. So let's just try to eat something, you know, to keep me kind of full. And after that meal, guys, believe it or not, I did start fasting again. And I fasted, I don't remember the time that I started fasting, but I fasted from that time in the evening, somewhere in the evening, I think, till about 1 o'clock the following day, Monday. And then I broke my fast at 1 o'clock. I broke my fast using one of those microwavable meals, guys. And I know it's not the best option, and it's not the thing that I would have wanted to break my fast with, but that's what I did with, because I had no other option. I didn't bring any food with me, and I just went to the Sainsbury's next door and I just got it, put it in the microwave because I was at work at the time. And I had some fruits with that as well. And then later in the night I had some fruits, and then I think I must have had a mishap where I had some crisp at my mom's house and stuff like that. But anyhow, on Tuesday is when I started my 72 hours fast. But before I actually started my fast, I had a meal again, and the meal was mostly vegetables because I had a lot of callaloo. I had some chicken as well, guys, and I think it was that, the chicken, and I don't think I had anything. I said some fruits. I think I had some fruits, some avocado, some fruits, the callaloo, and the chicken, and I started my fast. And I haven't eaten since then. My fast started at 12 o'clock on Tuesday. Today's Thursday. My fast won't end until at least 12 o'clock tomorrow, because it's 72 hours, 3 days, obviously. But yes, guys, how do I feel? I feel good. I'm okay. I'm not hungry. Like I said, if you build yourself up slowly, the more you fast, the less hungry you get. And when you do eat, the less food you can actually eat because you get so full so quickly. So yes, guys, so that's what I've been doing. Luckily, I have a very supportive group, guys, and I told you about my circle last week, yeah? I told you about my circle, guys, so if you want to join into our circle, our very lovely, you know, supportive little circle, then I'm going to put the link in the description box, okay? So feel free to join if you want to start fasting and you just don't know how to go about it, or you just want some support or some accountability partners. We're here, guys. We're here to support. We're here to encourage. I need the encouragement as much as I'm giving the encouragement. So at the end of the day, we welcome all beginners. So if you're interested, the link is going to be in the description box. But yes, guys, that is it. I've rambled on long enough. The girl has lost 4 pounds this week, and that's a total of, like I said, 16 pounds in 3 weeks. But it's only been 10 pounds. 10 pounds, guys, 10 pounds. 10 pounds since I actually started fasting, which is from Tuesday. So basically I've been fasting for 9 days, and I've lost 10 pounds since I've been fasting, which is quite good. But anyways, guys, that is enough for my update for today. Yes, my plan is to continue to fast. Will I be doing another 72-hour fast? I more than likely will be. Will I be doing it right away? Maybe not. I think I'm gonna, once I break my fast, I probably will have the rest of Friday to kind of refeed, and then I'll probably start another fast towards Friday night, maybe Friday night, and then go into Saturday, and then probably every 24 hours or every 20 hours or so, whatever I feel like doing. I think it's all about what you can handle. Obviously, I want to push myself, but I don't want to push myself I don't want to push myself too far, if you know what I mean, okay? But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't as yet, please thumbs up this video. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, yes, guys, and turn on your notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a new video. Anyways, guys, I'll see y'all in my next week video. But for now, keep it sassy-licious.